In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this deconstructed type effect with Adobe Illustrator. The first thing is to open a new composition where we are going to create a text. We are going to type, for example, Deconstructed. Now that we have the text, we make this bigger. And we are going to use a font that best suit for this case. Well, I'm going to use Bebas Noya Regular. Now we center with the alignment tool, and then we are going to right click and create outline. After that, we are going to choose rectangle tool and then drag to cover the entire text. If you want, you can hide. Then we go to object path split into grid. For example, we can type in 6. Now we are going to select all of them and go to Pathfinder. If you haven't this window, you can open it from window and then go to Pathfinder. Here we are going to use this divide. After this, we are going to use the magic wand to select only the outside line and then hit the delete button. Now, as you can see, we have all those paths divided, but they are together, so we are going to ungroup this. So as you can see, we have each piece separated. We drag it to the upper side, then selecting all, we are going to use the Alt and Shift and drag down like this for multiple times. Now with the shortcut command Ctrl Y, we enter into outline mode where we are going to remove all those parts. So first one, second one, third. I'm going to make it quickly. Okay, here we go. So Ctrl Y to turn back to our mode. Here I see that I need to remove also this. Then we are going to move everything to their position a little upside from there, like this. Just follow the steps. Okay, this one should be go here. And here we have our deconstructed text. If we want to add the wave effect, the first thing is to merge them and then go to text and choose warp wave. Hit the OK button, and here we have our result. Subscribe for more videos and see you in the next one.